Day, and obesity is one of the major growing concern in the country. To understand obesity, diabetes, and the ongoing COVID pandemic effect in our lifestyle, joining us is Dr. Pradeep Chaube, Chairman at Max Institute of Laparoscopic, Endoscopic, and Bariatric Surgery here at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Saket. Hello, Doctor.
Good morning.
So, Doctor, आज एंटी ओबेसिटी डे है एंड many people are right now in our life 2020 कोविड पेंडेमिक सब कोविड के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं एंड इसके चक्कर में the other issues that we face on daily issues are getting sidetracked. Diabetes and obesity being one of the main concerns growing in the country right now. इस पे क्वेश्चन लोगों के दिमाग में आता है कि ओबेसिटी होता क्या है. So if you could just elaborate a little bit for our audience, what exactly is obesity?
Well, I think हम लोगों को ये देखना चाहिए कि we should not be really talking in terms of kilograms कि मेरा 110 किलोग्राम वेट है. I think the right way to express your weight and is to talk about BMI, which is body mass index. That is the unit which represents your obesity, overweight. So if your BMI, and BMI is a very simple, I think there are lots of apps which will tell you exactly what is your BMI, which is simple, weight in kilograms and divided by height in square meter. That gives you a figure which is known as BMI, body mass index, and that is the unit which we calculate all the time. Now if your BMI is less than 25, it's fine, I think, but if your BMI is more than 25, up to 30 BMI, it falls into the group of overweight, and that is the stage 1 of obesity, you can say. Then if it is more than 30 to 35, it is obesity, and if it is beyond 35, it comes under the purview of morbid obesity. For Indians and Asians, these figures are 2.5 less. That means we are talking about morbid obesity at 32.5 rather than on 35 BMI. Why it is important? Because this is type of, जैसे आप स्टेज करते हैं किसी चीज़ के, जब तक आपको स्टेजिंग नहीं होगी you will not know how to manage it. जैसे हम ब्लड प्रेशर देखते हैं, if you see 120, 130, 140, 150, unless we measure the blood pressure, we will not be able to find whether it falls within the normal range or it is an abnormal range. So same way, BMI, if you have a BMI between 25 to 30, maybe for Indians 27.5 up to 27.5, that means that we are overweight. And management of overweight is simply reducing your calorie intake and doing physical activity to burn the calories. And this is, in most of the patients, will be a reversible stage of weight gain. But if you go from 30 to 35, that's a gray zone when you enter the level of obesity. Obesity, why we call it a gray zone? That if you work hard and follow the nutritionist advice, there are fair chances that you may be able to reduce your weight to the normal expected weight. But when it goes more than 32.5, and in Western world 35 and above, it's a morbid obesity. And for that, possibly diet and energy expenditure may not be enough to bring you back to your normal BMI. The worst thing which happens with weight in almost 60 to 65% patient is the emergence of diabetes. मतलब जैसे जैसे weight बढ़ते जाता है, the chances of diabetes appearing at a very young age is very, very high, almost 60 to 65%. But and this is a related, that's why इसको हम लोग diabesity कहते हैं, means the diabetes which is related with obesity and weight. And that is very important to understand, because unless you lose weight, the diabetes will not, it will not be possible to control diabetes in spite of medication, in spite of diet, weight plays a very, very important and integral part in diabetic patients. During COVID, what we have seen कि obese patients are 3 to 5 times more chances of getting COVID infection, because all the obese patients will have lower immunity and will have diabetes, and we all know that diabetes and low immunity is one of the main cause of getting the COVID infection, and not only getting the infection but also are responsible for severity of the COVID infection. And if we go a step beyond, then even the mortality in obese patients, in our experience in last about 7-8 months, have seen that the largest mortality is seen in obese diabetic patients as compared to non-diabetic normal weighing patients.
So, doctor, now that we're talking about morbidity in obese patient, the question comes: why do obese people with COVID develop so much complication? Is it because of their obesity that their immunity is weak, or is there some other underlying problem?
Well, I think obesity not only, I would say, invites COVID infection. So even if there is a small exposure of the virus, it really sets in that person. Physical thing, I think it's very simple to understand, क्योंकि पेट में बहुत सारा fat होता है, the lungs are compressed and they become very small. So the volume of the lung goes down, that is one. और दूसरा, जैसे मैंने कहा कि ज़्यादातर पेशेंट्स जो obese हैं will have diabetes. ज़्यादातर पेशेंट्स की डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल में नहीं होगी. Third thing is, many of them because of diabetes will have kidney problems and the heart problems. That is another added factor. And ultimately हम सबको ये मालूम है कि obesity अपने आप में immunity को reduce करती है. So when the immunity is low, they are more possibility of getting into that infection, even from a smaller viral load, which otherwise can be sort of handled by the normal weighing non-diabetic patients.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, now that we understand that obese people and people with diabetes are at more risk, what are the additional precautions that these patients of obesity and diabetes can take to stay safe during this COVID pandemic?
Well, I think जो precautions हैं, that precautions are the same for everybody, for that matter. But yes, I think the obese patients, diabetic patients, patients with kidney problem, lung problem, bronchial asthma, those are the patients, they will need very special measure, and they should be more particular not to get into the exposure by their friends, their colleagues, their relations, their close family relations. क्योंकि जनरली ये देखा जाता है, जैसा भी हम लोगों ने देखा है, फेस्टिविटी, फेस्टिवल्स, मैरिजेस, डिनर्स, social get together, there are very high chances of getting the COVID infection. More so for the patients who are diabetic and obese and have a low immunity, which includes even cancer patients, which will have low immunity. Patients on chemotherapy will have low immunity. So that is one. Golden rule remains the same. Wearing a mask is very important. And unfortunately हम लोग मास्क जो पहनते हैं वो ज़्यादातर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिखाने के लिए पहनते हैं कि मास्क पहनना ज़रूरी है. बेसिक प्रिंसिपल मास्क पहनने का ये है कि ऑल द एयर जो आप इनहेल कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड कम थ्रू द फिल्टर ऑफ द मास्क. See, most of the time we see that the mask is all loose, the air is coming by the side of the mask, and that is the commonest cause why, in spite of wearing mask, the patients develop COVID infection. Second thing is, every time the mask is loose, it comes down under the nose, you push it up and you are touching the anterior front surface of the mask, which has got virus load on top of that. So proper mask wearing is important. It's not to show off, and I very strongly feel that the masks which were possibly suggested 8 months, 9 months back, because there was no mask, proper mask available. So हम लोगों ने कहा कि आप घर में भी मास्क बना सकते हैं और पहन सकते हैं, बट जिस समय पे हम लोग हैं उस वक्त में proper masks with proper 3 layers is a must. Every mask should have the nose clip so that you can shape the upper portion of the mask so that there is no air goes from here and there is no air goes from there. And while मतलब मास्क की फिटिंग ऐसी होना चाहिए कि एक बार अगर आपने मास्क पहन लिया तो आपको एडजस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं होना चाहिए उसको. इट शुड सिंग. एंड अनदर मिस्टेक विच आई सी कि जब भी आप बात करना चाहते हैं मास्क नीचे करके बात करना चाहते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी बैड हैबिट. आपको कोई चीज सुनना है तो आप मास्क नीचे करके सुनते हैं एज इफ कि मास्क आपके कान के ऊपर लगा हुआ है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन थिंग विच वी सी एवरी डे in the hospital, we see every day in our social this thing. We always see on videos how people are putting the mask down and talking. It is not. Today I am not wearing a mask because there is nobody here. Everybody is away from me and everybody is wearing mask. And that is the message that there is no way you should unmask yourself. That is very important. And of course, you have to keep distance. At least, they say 1 meter. I always suggest 2 meter. And if possible, never have dinner or lunch or breakfast, because then you come close on the dining table and then everybody is talking and nobody is wearing the mask. So this is a total unprotection. It's like anybody की bullet proof jacket आपने पहना हुआ है और सारी आपने बटन खोली हुई है, so bullets can come and hit you. And this is one of, according to my understanding, one of the commonest cause for the type of infection which we are seeing. And dinner and lunch is a long period of maybe an hour and 2 or 3 where you are exposed, and a high dose of virus goes through, because virus enters through nose and mouth and of course from eyes also. But the most important area is the nose, from where we are breathing, and the virus gets entry and that gets into the living cell and very rapidly it multiplies. So the moment there is exposure, within few hours or days, it becomes very very serious. And also in our experience in last 3 to 4 weeks, what we have seen in the festivity, we have seen the seniors have really suffered, because the young persons, they come to visit their grandfather, father, grandmother, and the whole family comes together. The spaces are small, and because they are all related, nobody is wearing the mask, and that is how the spread has taken place. And unfortunately, because the duration is long, we have seen more serious patients. And also आप लोग सबको मालूम होगा कि the mortality and sufferings have been very high during this period.
So doctor, basically obese people, if they have to improve their health right now, they need to get more into physical activity, आपने बोला, and reduce their calorie intake. So how can an obese patient improve their physical fitness and immunity levels other than just dieting or maybe calorie intake?
Well, I think if you really look at the world literature, there are only 2 or 3 important things to. There is no medicine, there is no drug for that. What is most important is a protein-rich good diet, protein-rich diet, physical activity. These are the 2 very important. And I always emphasize, third important thing is the sleep. You have to have a proper sleep at a proper time, because if you don't sleep, then the immunity goes down. Please remember, whatever is all evidence-based medicine. So protein-rich diet, physical activity, and proper time sleeping in proper time is the 3 important. So we call it a tripod of health, and it is true not for obese person, but it is true for all of us, for everybody. Then comes the importance of zinc, then it comes the importance of vitamin C, and but generally हम लोगों ने क्या देखा है, everybody is taking zinc and vitamin C, but not following the diet, not following the exercise pattern, and they feel that zinc and vitamin C will take care of the immunity. There is nothing like that. That comes fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh. All types of things, whatever you do, has to be after you have followed diet, exercise, and sleep, and then rest of the things gets this thing. Three things will get the priority to increase your immunity.
डॉक्टर कमिंग टू एक्सरसाइज, अभी हमारे व्यूअर्स भी यही इनके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा दैट राइट नाउ with the pandemic going, many people are avoiding to go to gym and they're avoiding to go to the parks for exercise. So is it safe to resume outdoor exercise or to go to gym right now?
देखिए, मैं बहुत स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ कि जब आप ओपन स्पेस में जाते हैं, देन बिकॉज इट्स ए हैवी वायरस, अगर आप किसी को क्रॉस करते हैं ओपन स्पेस में विदाउट मास्क, आई डोंट थिंक इट कॉजेज इन्फेक्शन. द प्रॉब्लम इज एक्सपोजर. सेकेंड, ऑफ कोर्स यस, आउटडोर में अभी पॉल्यूशन बहुत है, तो आई वुड से देन यू कैन वेयर द एंटी पॉल्यूशन मास्क, बट अदरवाइज फॉर कोविड प्रिवेंशन एंटी पॉल्यूशन मास्क विथ वेंट्स आर ऑफ नो यूज. दे डू नॉट प्रिवेंट द कोविड इन्फेक्शन. सो कुछ समय के लिए जब है तो हम थोड़ा सा कर सकते हैं, बट आई थिंक वेदर हैज बीन फैंटास्टिक in last 5-6 months, 7 months, 8 months, because there was no dust, there was no pollution. So we are just blaming couple of days now for the weather. Yes, this is important, but then you can do indoor exercises also. आपको करने की जरूरत है. You can stand up, you can do a standing jogging, you can do rope skipping. So there are so many other things which can be done on the indoor activity, not exposing you to the pollution. And going to open space and crossing somebody on the way is not really one of the important cause for developing this thing. So I would say it's better to have a good immunity rather than have the fear. And I have always maintained, आपके दिमाग में जो fear है, उस कोविड के fear को आप साइंटिफिक नॉलेज से रिप्लेस करिए. सिर्फ fear से कोविड नहीं होगा आपको, ऐसा नहीं है. फियर से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. अगर आप अपने प्रॉपर मास्क पहना हुआ है, आपने प्रॉपर डिस्टेंसिंग रखी हुई है, आप मास्क को बार बार टच नहीं करते, प्रॉपरली फिटेड मास्क है, आप हैंड सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं और लोगों से नहीं मिल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे भी मैं कहता हूँ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के बदले में मैं बोलता हूँ फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अपने रिलेशंस खराब कर लीजिए. फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू कीप योरसेल्फ. ऑल्सो मैं यहाँ कहना चाहूँगा कि आप ये सोचिए कि आपको कोविड वही पे आदमी स्प्रेड करेगा जिसको सिम्टम्स नहीं है. दे आर नोन एज एसिम्टोमेटिक कैरियर्स विच स्प्रेड द वायरस, बट दे आर नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट बिकॉज ऑफ मे बी गुड इम्यूनिटी और वट एवर मे बी द रीजन. दे आर द स्प्रेडर्स. सो जिसको आप सोच रहे हो कि ये हेल्दी पर्सन है, he may be a potential spreader and we can get infection from them.
Thank you, doctor. Doctor, exercise के अलावा many people they opt for bariatric surgery. Many obese people, sometimes it is one of the only options for them. So how safe is it to opt for a bariatric surgery at this time of COVID?
देखिए, bariatric surgery or for that matter any surgery is as safe now as safe it was and as safe it will be. What is important? I think we have to see that where you are going to get all these interventions done. लोगों को हॉस्पिटल आने से डर लगता है. I agree with it. But say proper, if you go to a green hospital where you are sure of the green nature. For example, we are talking and sitting here in the Max Hospital. So Max Hospital is a green hospital. That means that there is no COVID patients in that green area, green zone, green floors, in green operation theaters. That is what is important, because nobody will be admitted with a COVID positive report. They are always remain in emergency also. If you see our Max, even in emergency we have got an orange zone where the patient comes and the COVID test is done, his emergency is managed, and the moment we get a report of COVID negative, we shift them to the green zone. If we get the COVID positive report, they go to the red zone. So those are all big institutions will follow those protocols which are laid down nationally and internationally, and that is where it makes it safe. So bariatric surgery or surgery for gallbladder stones or for hernia or angiographies, angioplasties, coronary artery bypass, brain tumors, cancers, all those things, if done in a green hospital, in a green zone, they are equally safe. And all the big institutions like Max, all our institutions will have a highest standard as far as possible for the pandemic. So you should feel comfortable, confident. Yes, provided you wear the right kind of mask and you fitted it well and you maintain the distance and do the hand hygiene.
डॉक्टर नाउ कमिंग टू आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, इसके बाद हम अपने ऑडियंस से क्वेश्चन लेंगे. what are the healthy ways to lose weight and keep it off?
Well, जैसा हम शुरू में डिस्कस किया था, healthy way ultimately remains diet and exercise and sleep. Mind you, sleep also, proper sleep also helps in weight loss. This is also very important point. So this remains the mainstay, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना कि आप कुछ भी करिए, ये आपके लिए हमेशा, चाहे ऑपरेशन के पहले या ऑपरेशन के बाद में, डाइट, एक्सरसाइज और प्रॉपर स्लीप will always remain the mainstay. Operation is to be done when there is indicated. If somebody is diabetic and the BMI is more than 32.5, operation is the option. If your BMI is 37.5 without diabetes, operation is the option. Because the weight loss required is quite high, which cannot be provided by diet, nutrition and sleep. But yes, after the operation, I think practically everybody, if they want to maintain the normal BMI, they will have to follow. For example, अगर जैसे हार्ट के जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं, उनको tobacco is not allowed, smoking is not allowed, blood thinner is to be taken properly, the cholesterol, less cholesterol. So हर बीमारी का एक सेट प्रोटोकॉल होता है इसको मैनेज करने का, और बेरियाट्रिक को और ओबिसिटी को भी उसी हिसाब से प्रोटोकॉल से मैनेज करना चाहिए. अगर आपका BMI 25, 25, 26, 27, 28 है, then I'm sure the best way will be diet. But here I would like to warn that everything you do for weight loss should be supervised by nutritionists, dietitians and bariatric physicians who specialize in weight loss clinic. And most of the people एक बार न्यूट्रिशन से मिल लेते हैं, डाइटिशियन से मिल लेते हैं, when they follow the diet. It is not like that. You have to frequently meet, because nutrition and dietitian and nutritionist are super specialized professionals. They have extreme knowledge about the nutrition and how to reduce your weight. They are very conscious, and they are like a chess player. They have got their diet plans, what is to be given, and every chess player will have their own ways to hand. And mind you, that is the surest way of not getting into trouble, because when you are losing weight on your own, internet से पढ़ के या YouTube में देख के, that is not the right way, because every individual varies, and every nutritionist and the physician will tailor the diet and the modality for that particular person or patient. So that is very important. Otherwise what happens, आप dieting करते हैं, आप सोचते हैं कि मिठाई नहीं खाएंगे तो dieting हो गया. It's not the way. They have to balance each portion, fat, protein, carbohydrate, and in what proportion, in what sequence it is to be given. That is very important. और अगर आप weight loss करते हैं and if it is not successful, then there is a condition called yo-yo effect. So if you lose weight without supervision of a nutritionist and the physician, then whatever weight you have lost, you are likely to gain much more. So suppose you lose unsupervised weight loss of 10 kilogram, when you will gain weight, possibly it will be 12 kilograms or 15 kilograms. एंड ज़्यादातर आप लोगों को ये देखा गया है कि इसी तरह से वो अपना वजन बढ़ाते जाते हैं. एवरी फेल्ड अटेम्प्ट फॉर वेट लॉस, अनसुपरवाइज्ड वेट लॉस, will increase the weight more than what you lost. So that is a yo-yo effect which people need to understand and need to follow.
Thank you, doctor. So going to my patients now, my viewers. सबसे पहला सवाल डॉक्टर आपके पास है, does decreased sugar intake help in obesity?
Yes, sugar is carbohydrate and I'm sure it helps, but as I said, sugar is not the only thing. Sugar is one of the important ingredient in your food, maybe in any form. It's not only the sweets, but sugar is there even in the food. A part of sugar and fructose in the fruits are there. So definitely it is one of the very important ingredient. But as I said, it needs to be balanced with protein. It needs to be balanced with the fat. The proportion is important.
So, doctor, another one is, can obesity lead to cancer?
Yes, I think ये बहुत कम recognized है. हर आदमी ये जानता है कि ओबिसिटी से डायबिटीज़ होती है, हाइपरटेंशन होता है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ता है, पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी होती है, जॉइंट पेन होता है और गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स होते हैं, हर्निया होता है, स्लीप एपनिया होता है, स्नोरिंग होती है. बट बहुत कम लोग ये जानते हैं कि ओबीस patients, they are highly prone for cancer, especially the uterine endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer, colonic cancer and many other types of cancer. They are more seen in obese patients. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा है कि obesity अपने आप में एक ऐसा group of disease है, you can say, it really brings, it affects each and every organ of your body. And not only organ of your body, but your psyche also, your self-esteem, your anxiety, your feeling good factor, everything is affected by obesity. So this is one disease which affects all the organs of the body, including your thinking, your brain, your psychology, your sense of well-being and self-esteem.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, one of our audience member is a patient of asthma, and he wants to know, is obesity dangerous to asthmatics?
Of course. I mean, asthma means you become breathless while you walk or climb the stairs, and it depends कि आप कितना वजन लेके ऊपर चढ़ रहे हैं. So I think अगर आपका वजन ज़्यादा है, अगर आपका 20, 25, 30 किलो वजन ज़्यादा है, इसका मतलब है कि 30 किलो वजन लेके आप चढ़ रहे हैं, तो नेचुरली आपको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करेगा, ज़्यादा थकेंगे और ज़्यादा प्रोनाउंस हो जाएगा. ये भी हो सकता है कि आप का बहुत ज़्यादा अगर वजन है तो आप वॉशरूम तक ना जा सकें विथ दैट वेट. सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स कि आप कितना किलोग्राम वेट लेके चल रहे हैं.
Alright, so this will be our last question for this live, but उससे पहले मैं अपने दर्शकों को बताना चाहूँगी that audience, you can drop your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you. We will answer each and every question. So doctor, the last question that we're taking is, I was obese class 1 in my BMI. I lost 16 kg this year and now my BMI is overweight. Am I still at risk of diabetes?
Well, I think weight, yes, but उतना नहीं है जितना कि आपको पहले था. So अब आप you are coming close to the normal population. Unless you have a family history of diabetes, genetically you are prone for diabetes in your genes, then yes. Otherwise आप जितना वजन और कम करेंगे तो चांसेस आपके उतने कम होते जाते हैं. So normal BMI में your chances are like anybody else in the society or in the population.
All right, thank you, doctor. Thank you so much for your time. Audience, I hope that this was insightful and you have answers to your obesity, your diabetic and your COVID related queries. But जाने से पहले one last reminder, आप अपने questions comment section पे डाल सकते हैं. हम आपके हर एक सवाल का जवाब देंगे. And Moving on, doctor, thank you for your time. Thank you for giving our time from your busy schedule, explaining and how important is Anti-Obesity Day awareness. So, जाने से पहले final words to our audience about Anti-Obesity Day and its importance.
Well, anti-obesity day is important because to manage obesity is a very complex and very difficult situation. If you avoid obesity, like anything else, prevention is always better. Especially during this time, obese patients should be very careful, and of course, for everybody in the society, I will again insist a proper fitting mask, hand hygiene, and personal physical distancing is very, very important. So be safe, and I'm sure this will also pass. Sooner or later we will get the vaccination, and I'm sure by that time you have to use the temporary vaccination, and the temporary vaccination all of us we have, and that is your properly worn mask. That is your temporary vaccination. So till you get a proper vaccination, make sure that you use your temporary vaccination very effectively. Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, audience. And we all wish you a happy day today. Please make sure that you're healthy, wear your mask properly, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next Max Talk.